हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय दुजा। क्या आपके घर में छोटा बच्चा है और आपको डाउट होता है कैल्शियम ड्रॉप्स देना है, विटामिन डी ड्रॉप्स देना है, आयरन ड्रॉप्स देना है, अरे डॉक्टर ने मुझे भी तो दवाइयाँ दी हुई है, तो ये डॉक्टर क्यों बोल रहे हैं कि बच्चों को ये देना है? मेरे डॉक्टर ने तो बच्चों का डेंसिटी चेक नहीं किया है, कैल्शियम चेक नहीं किया है, फिर भी डॉक्टर बोले जा रहा है। तो ये डाउट है ना आपको? मुझे भी डाउट था जब भी मेरे बच्चे छोटे थे। बट टुडे वी हैव अ डॉक्टर जो हम लोग को ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में बताएंगे। बाय द वे, डॉक्टर संदीप प्रैक्टिसिंग pediatrician at Deccan, Pune since last 20 years. Specialization is in neonatal care. तो छोटे बच्चों के केयर में उनका अपर हैंड है, तो आई थिंक ये बेस्ट इंसान है जिनको हम लोग ये सारे क्वेश्चन से बम्बार्ड कर सकते हैं। सॉरी डॉक्टर संदीप फॉर दिस वर्ड ऑफ बम्बार्डिंग, बट आई genuinely want to ask you this question. Let's go age wise. 0 to 3 months kids, what are the basic supplementations that are suggested or prescribed or whatever?
The best supplement is mother's milk.
Natural and always available.
Natural and always available. Safe, best, proved beyond time. So give mother's milk, and really they don't need anything other than vitamin D. So only supplement that I would advise is vitamin D to a full-term baby, and in preterm babies till they are about 2.5 we give calcium, phosphorus and vitamin D.
So okay, today I came to know why my child was given calcium and phosphorus. My kids were almost full term, but they were 2.4 kgs.
Yeah.
And they were needed that, I think, at that time. Dr. Sandeep, here do you mean that somewhere the growth and development inside the womb and there the complete preterm or the full term kids, that actually give a doctor an idea how much the strength a child must have got from the mother?
Yeah, it's basically the babies grow very well in the third trimester. The intrauterine growth is maximal in the last 3 months. So if a baby is born early, obviously they have got less nutrients from the mother into the baby, and that's why they may need supplements like proteins, calcium, phosphorus, iron, vitamin D.
100%.
But if a baby is full term, they need only vitamin D. If it's a baby is preterm, they may need other supplements.
Super. See, all these things depends on once doctor is going to see your file. What weight doctor baby was born at the time of birth. Did baby had any concern
Correct.
or issues? How was the health of a mother? Was mother anemic or anything?
Yes.
I think they are going to consider all of these things, but the majorly is this. Okay, my child is little more bigger, doctor. Say 3 to 6 months.
3 to 6 months again we only give vitamin D, and the vitamin D is about 400 international units per day for the first till 1 year.
Okay.
We start iron after 6 months.
Okay, so till 6
Yeah.
months it's majorly vitamin D. But लोग तो बोलते हैं vitamin D तो धूप से मिल जाएगा.
What has happened is that was a myth we really need to understand, that with so much of pollution around, the vitamin D which was supposed to be synthesized from sun rays actually is not being synthesized, and all of us are vitamin D deficient. Yeah, and you can
Yes,
see
that's true.
a lot of adults and old age people, they take weekly vitamin D just because the nutritional intake may be less, and today rarely it's raining, so the sunlight is less, so you never know how the weather behaves, but vitamin D alone relied upon by the sunlight.
Right. I think here Dr. Sandeep meant even a young crowd, personally 30-35-year-old also are having deficiency
Yes.
of vitamin D, which is so common. Okay, so that's a very important point. So vitamin D is there, but it's just not reaching us because of there is an in-between layer. So we are nowhere telling that the scientific fact is wrong. We are just telling few of the man-made things have formed a barrier there.
Yes.
So, by the way, all of you should not stop sun bath देना. Please वो देते रहो बच्चों को.
Yeah.
That's a very good fresh moment for child. But complete rely नहीं कर
Completely
सकते.
rely नहीं कर सकते.
Very important. Okay, my child is 6 months plus.
6 months plus we would give iron supplements, because iron is required for development of red blood cells and also for brain development. So giving iron is very important from 6 months to 1 year, and also we need to start supplemental food.
Right.
Apart from mother's milk, rather than giving only top milk, give supplemental food, pulses and cereals, and rather than just giving a bottle of milk, just avoid bottle. Don't give too much of cow's milk, don't give too much of formula milk. All that child needs is homemade good food.
Good food. By the way, all of you, we will be talking to Sandeep like exclusively 5 to 7 minutes just about the food related myths that he is observing in Indian culture. But yes, post 6 months, one of the supplementation is the top food, which is nutritionally balanced.
Yes.
Not as a myth food. and yes, at the same time iron and vitamin D. Dr. Sandeep, any observation that a parent should have which tells them that my child is low on calcium as well? Like for example, it's a myth might be in बच्चा लेट चल रहा है ना तो कैल्शियम डेफिसिट ही रहेगा, बच्चा क्रॉल नहीं कर रहा है तो कैल्शियम डेफिसिट.
Basically, see, if you see a child with a lot of prominent frontal bones, the child is not rolling over, the child has got sitting in one place, not very active,
lethargy too much.
then sometimes 9 महीने का बच्चा हो गया दांत ही नहीं आ रहे, that may be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. So all these things have to be taken into consideration, looking at the nutrition, and rickets or vitamin D is required for growing bones. So if your vitamin D is deficient, you develop rickets.
Right.
So this is what we need to observe.
So basically don't skip your pediatrician's visit.
Yes.
Because ये ultimately ना डॉक्टर चेक करते हैं रोल ओवर हो रहा है कि नहीं, ये इन्होंने बोला, बट दैट डजंट मीन 5th मंथ में बोले तो 5th मंथ में ही बच्चा रोल ओवर हो.
There's a lot of variation in the development, there's a lot of variation in the growth. Your growth and your weight and your length of the child will depend on the baby's birth weight and the intrauterine growth. So a baby weighing say 2.1 kilo versus a 3.5, they grow differently.
Very, very different.
And a baby who is full term and a preterm, they will grow differently.
So Dr. Sandeep, आपके लिए baseline ही वही है क्या? The weight at which baby was born, the term at which the baby was born, gestational age बच्चे का, और बच्चे का
IUGR था क्या नहीं?
Okay, IUGR is हिंदी में या simplified?
जिसका ग्रोथ बच्चे मम्मी के पेट में कम होता है, वो बच्चे जो है उनको IUGR बोलते हैं, इंट्रायूट्राइन ग्रोथ रेस्ट्रिक्शन, और FGR फीटल ग्रोथ रेस्ट्रिक्शन आज का नया टर्मिनोलॉजी.
एकदम सिंप्लीफाइड लोकल टर्म में बोला जाए तो पेट के अंदर बच्चा उतना ग्रो नहीं हुआ जितना एक्सपेक्टेड था. दैट्स बेसिकली कॉल्ड एज IUGR. सो यस, सो हर डॉक्टर के लिए वो बेस लाइन पकड़ के डॉक्टर हर बच्चे के लिए अलग से ट्रीटमेंट करे. डॉक्टर संदीप, आई थिंक आपके लिए भी या किसी भी डॉक्टर के लिए ऐसा नहीं है ना, ये 6 चीज़ें ये हर बच्चे के लिए अप्लीकेबल?
नहीं,
नेवर लाइक
दैट. All children are different, they grow differently, they develop differently, and each child is a unique gift from the universe.
Even their
God's own
smile
gift.
varies,
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
How they look at doctor also varies.
Yes.
Few cry, few smile.
and few say bye bye.
Okay, कुछ लोग आपका नाम लेके घर पे डराते भी है.
हाँ, वो तो
डॉक्टर अंकल के पास जाना है.
Absolutely.
Okay, the last question probably in this segment. 1 year plus बच्चों को क्या कोई supplementation चाहिए?
No need unless.
Bonvita, Pediasure, Complan बच्चों की हाइट बढ़ाने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है.
Again, these are myths. What they need is a balanced diet. Give adequate proteins, adequate fats, adequate carbohydrates, and what a child actually needs is a combination of this along with a good positive reinforcement, stimulation, and some exercises.
Very important line. Don't forget these things.
So all these make a child grow optimally. No need of giving all these fancy inverted commas foods. So we don't need to give all these supplements.
So basically packaged food.
No.
जो घर पे बनाते हो
मैं तो
best है.
tin food तो बिल्कुल नहीं देना है. Preservatives and tin food, you should avoid them.
Avoid as. So okay, tin food में सब कुछ आ गया. Coca-Cola, Pepsi, wafers, chips.
अरे वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं देना है.
Even this so-called biscuits on a routine basis.
No.
I've heard Dr. Sandeep, many doctors saying that what child needs is love at home,
Yeah.
care at home, activities with their loved ones,
Yes.
and food that is they are associating a healthy and happiness with the food.
Yeah.
Not दो पाव पे सुला दिया, पकड़ लिया और डालते जाओ धप.
No. उससे कुछ नहीं होता है.
That's so important. So thank you so much, Dr. Sandeep. This is all about supplementation, vitamin D, calcium. The way he said, श्रेया, उसके बच्चे को उसके डॉक्टर ने कैल्शियम दिया, मेरे डॉक्टर क्यों नहीं दे रहे? क्या मैं डॉक्टर को चेंज कर दूं? No, she is laughing. Generally speaking, it depends on respective child's weight, the gestational weight and everything. Trust your doctor, man. आपको उसी डॉक्टर की दवाइयों का रिजल्ट मिलेगा जिसके ऊपर आप एक्चुअली ट्रस्ट कैरी करते हो. And that's very, very important. Thank you so much, Dr. Sandeep.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, all of you. Have a great time and bye.
Bye.
How are you feeling? Ah. dancing, sha la 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 la. Dancing, dancing, sha la 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 la. Dancing is so fun for all weather, Kyra. हाँ? Big or small. अभी हाथ से करो, हाथ से करो.
नेति हाथ से करो.
खड़े हो जाओ.